you go 10 years without one, and then all of a sudden you get three. Boom, boom, boom.
It's been a hurricane season that hasn't allowed Louisiana residents to catch their breath. People here in Louisiana haven't had time to clean up from Hurricane Laura, and of course, Hurricane Delta has left even more. Hurricane Delta depositing a 1/4 inch of mud around Cypremort Point.
Yeah, best to get it off when it's wet. If you don't get as much of it off when it's wet, then you can take a power washer and knock the rest of it off.
The wind and water collapsing one building's wall. Another home's metal roof was ripped open like a tin can, and much, much more.
It looks like somebody's pier got washed out and landed in the living room, so we're just hauling out the stuff.
But with experience, many were able to minimize the damage caused.
So we lifted up the garage doors, took the doors off the hinges, and let all the water and debris go through, but some of it got caught up and just landed right in here.
Because it never seems like you can ever get it all, locals call this memory mud. This year is already unforgettable. In Cypremort Point, Louisiana, for AccuWeather, I'm Jonathan Petramala.